In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable keyboard and mouse activity tracking in Hubstaff. If you're managing a remote team or just want to keep tabs on your own productivity, this feature is essential for getting an accurate read on time spent working. Let's go through the steps together, ensuring you can track activities seamlessly. First, you'll need to head over to Hubstaff and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look out for the Settings icon. It's often situated on the sidebar for most users. Click it to get started. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your account, and it's the launchpad for enabling various features, including our focus today, tracking keyboard and mouse activity. After accessing the settings, look for the Activity and Tracking section. It's usually under a submenu or listed as a primary tab depending on the version you're using. Click on Activity and Tracking to open up the specific settings related to how Hubstaff will monitor activities. Within the Activity and Tracking area, the next step is to click on Activity. This tab is where you dive deeper into specifics, essentially deciding what aspects of user activity you'd like to have recorded and analyzed. Now, it's time to click on Record Activity. This is crucial because without enabling this, Hubstaff won't track the keyboard and mouse movements of your team members. You can think of this as turning on the visibility for the tool. It's a vital step for maintaining transparency and ensuring that what's tracked aligns with your team's working patterns. With record activity identified, the final action is to toggle it to on. You should see an option or switch that allows this feature to start recording. By doing this, you're allowing Hubstaff to capture the extent of interactions with the keyboard and mouse, providing more precise activity reports. That's it. Once you flip the switch, Hubstaff will begin tracking activity patterns, offering insights into productivity levels. While we're here, it's essential to mention the importance of discussing these settings with your team. Transparency is key for maintaining trust. Make sure everyone understands how their activities are tracked and, more importantly, why. This knowledge will foster an environment where productivity data is shared openly and is beneficial to both managers and team members alike. To wrap things up, enabling keyboard and mouse tracking on Hubstaff can significantly assist in understanding and improving work performance. It's a straightforward process that, when used correctly, adds substantial value to your productivity.